Common conversational phrases and expressions. Welcome back to our Casual English for Beginners course. In our previous lesson, we explored greetings and introductions in informal settings. Today, we're going to expand our conversational skills by learning some common phrases and expressions used in casual conversations. These will help you engage in lively and natural discussions. Let's dive in. When having a conversation in English, it's important to express interest, show agreement, and ask for clarification. Let's start with expressing interest. One way to show interest is by saying, "That's interesting." It's a simple phrase that conveys your curiosity and engagement in the conversation. Another phrase you can use is "wow." This is a versatile exclamation that can express surprise, admiration, or even agreement. Now, let's move on to showing agreement and expressing opinions. One common expression to show agreement is "I totally agree." It indicates that you share the same opinion or viewpoint as the person you're conversing with. If you want to express a strong agreement, you can say "absolutely." This emphasizes your complete agreement and enthusiasm. On the other hand, if you want to express a different opinion, you can use phrases like, "I see what you're saying, but," or "I get your point, however." These phrases allow you to respectfully disagree while still maintaining a friendly conversation. Lastly, let's learn some phrases to ask for clarification. When you're not sure about something, you can say, "Could you please explain that again?" This politely asks the person to provide further information or repeat their point. Another useful phrase is, "I didn't quite catch that. Could you repeat it, please?" This lets the speaker know that you didn't hear or understand their statement clearly. Fantastic job! You're now equipped with some essential conversational phrases and expressions. Remember to use them to engage actively in casual conversations and show your interest, agreement, or request for clarification. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips. Pay attention to body language, maintain good eye contact, and use a friendly tone of voice to enhance your communication. That's all for today's lesson on common conversational phrases and expressions. Practice using them in your everyday interactions, and soon you'll feel more confident and comfortable in casual English conversations. In our next lesson, we'll delve into the world of talking about pronunciation tips for natural speech. Get ready to share your passions with others in casual English. Until then, keep practicing and enjoy connecting with others through conversations. Goodbye for now. Casual English for Beginners, where everyday conversations become a breeze.